Hey guys, I love you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very simple nutritious recipe for peanut butter cookies made with oats. Let us get started. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so we're gonna form these, put them on our baking tray. With my tablespoon, take out 1 tablespoon per cookie. Kind of form it into a ball. Now we bake these 12 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven. Alright, that is it. The outside is nice and crunchy while inside is still chewy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe for peanut butter cookies. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegan recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.